Well, a new assessment released overnight gives a snapshot of the health and well-being of 40 countries, including the U.S., 40 cities, including Baltimore.
Yeah, so how well did we do overall? And compared to other cities, ABC2's Megan Knight is in the newsroom to show us the rankings. Megan?
Well, Ashley and Christian, only 8 cities in this report, including Baltimore, received a bronze rating. Only 5 cities, including D.C., received the gold rating. Now, this group called City Health, they looked at 9 different categories, including things like public sick leave and affordable housing and alcohol sales. So where we did well, if I bring up these categories here, you can see the gold star in universal pre-K kindergarten. So we did well there. We also got a gold when it comes to complete streets, which basically means we have good infrastructure when it comes to letting people bike to work, walk to work, and of course drive to work. Where we didn't do so well is where you see the ones with the little circle with the cross through it, like alcohol sales control, curbing tobacco among young people, and also affordable housing. So a little bit of work to do according to the City Health report. If you want to see the whole report, see how other cities did compared to Baltimore, I've got a link on my Twitter page. It's @Night from ABC2.